for dreamers, makers, passionates, techies, entrepreneurs, professionals, and for all people who think that robotics is a technology of the future. Because at Luos Robotics we believe that technology will evolve to act in the real world and should be easier and easier to use and build. And because we believe that good ideas don't come necessarily from people able to do it. Despite all progress we made, building robots today is too complicated. To succeed, you have to be an expert in electronics, mechanics, simulation, robotics, everything. To reach your goal, you will have to expand dramatically your budget on your development time. All this complexity limits the number of people able to solve a problem using technology and slow down the development of the robot of tomorrow. At Luos Robotics, we want to give you the power to create without limit. To do that, we develop software and hardware tools that completely transform the way people create machines. Thanks to this technology, you are now able to test your ideas and develop them faster than ever. And you're not going to need a lot of investment or an expert team to succeed anymore. Our tools help you to achieve your ideas and guide you to mass production if you need to. This technology is operational and available right now on our website. Now we need you. We need your ideas, your project, and your creativity to make this happen. Together, let's create and share the technology that will transform the world of tomorrow. To discover how to realize your ideas, it's simple. Check out our website, luos-robotics.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To contribute, learn, and share with the community, check out our forum. Also, feel free to follow us, discuss, and send us some news about your project on our social networking below. Don't forget, you can simply help us by sharing this video to your friends. I hope to see you soon.